Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Over the last couple of weeks, as the horrors of the war in Ukraine have continued, I've been trying hard not to spend my time doom scrolling through the news and getting depressed and overwhelmed with a sense of hopelessness. So what I've been trying to do instead is to stay active. I've been trying to teach as much as I can, and I've been trying to keep in touch with Ukrainian students and Ukrainian friends to find out where they are, to find out if there's anything I can do to help. One thing that I have been able to help with is putting Ukrainian friends who are crossing the border, particularly into Poland, but also into Hungary, into Slovakia, in touch with people in those countries who would be willing to put them up for a while. If you put people up or put someone up, you let them stay at your house for free, usually on a temporary sort of basis. So last week, a couple of friends of mine managed to get to Hungary, to Budapest, and another friend of mine agreed to put them up. I think all in all, his family are actually putting up 7 Ukrainian refugees at the moment. So, it's obviously a very positive and powerful thing to be able to help in some small way in these horrific situations. You can also say, for example, maybe if you miss a flight because the plane has a technical problem, the airline usually offer to put you up in a hotel overnight. They put you in a hotel, they pay the bill, and you get to stay there for free while they're sorting out a new plane. Maybe you might tell friends, yeah, at the moment we're putting up one of my wife's cousins because he's looking for work here in the town. And you might possibly suggest to friends, hey, if you're ever in the area, if you ever want to come and visit my town or my city, if you're ever in London, let me know. We can always put you up at our place. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And we'd love to see examples in the comments section of how you might use put you up, put someone up.